How to simplify sort. If you are being given an expression 3 root 2 times 5 root 2, what will be done here is you multiply 3 by 5, and 3 times 5 will give you 15. You keep the answer aside. Then multiply root 2 by root 2. If you are multiplying root 2 by root 2, this is same thing as saying square root of 4, because 2 times 2 will give you 4. And square root of 4 is equal to 2. After you are done with this step, you now multiply 15 by 2. 15 times 2, and which will give you what? 30. So your final answer is 30. You can state it in this way: 3 root 2 times 5 root 2 is equal to 30. Let's pick another question. If you are being given 5 root 3 times 8 root 3 plus root 12 to simplify, what you have to do is to multiply 5 by 8, and 5 times 8 is 40. You go again by saying root 3 times root 3, and this root 3 times root 3 is same thing as saying root 9, and square root of 9 is equals to 3. After you are done with this step, you multiply 40 by 3, and 40 times 3 will give you 120. You don't have to stop here. You continue by putting your 120 to your initial question, that is 120 plus root 12. In this case now, you have to reduce root 12 to its lowest term. You say 120 plus root 4 times 3, because 4 times 3 is 12. You now go again by saying 120 plus square root of 4 is 2. You now say 2 root 3. But if you look at this thing now, 120 plus 2 root 3 had to be further simplified. Thereby, factorization comes in here. You have to factor out 2 from this expression by saying 2 into bracket. 2 divided by 120 will give you 60. And 2 divided by 2 root 3 will give you root 3. Therefore, your final answer is 2 into bracket 6 plus root 3. We have come to the end of this tutorial today. If you have any further question, you can drop your comments and I will attend to it in my next tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.